Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia. So today I'm back with another new video of mine, which is a review of two good products of Dot & Key. But before getting started with the review of those products, I would like to say happy Valentine's Day guys to each one of you, to all my viewers. Definitely this will be telecasted after Valentine's Day, but happy Valentine's Day however. So let's get started with the product review. So the first product that I have is Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer. The quantity of this product is 25 ml and it's priced at rupees 350 friends. This is suitable for all skin types. If you have dry, sensitive, combination oily skin, anyone can use this product. It is clinically tested. This is really a very good moisturizer friend, I can tell you. This is light in weight, so it is non-sticky. It will boost the glow of your skin. It fades away dark spots and anti-pigmentation. It's definitely a good product to try, friends. So the second product that I have today of Dot & Key is Retinol+Ceramide Night Repair Cream. This product is of 25 ml in quantity and it is priced at rupees 395. This is an anti-aging night cream, friends, and is suitable for all skin types. So if you have dry, oily combination or sensitive skin, this will work for you. This is dermatology tested as well. This is a very good night cream, friends. Anyone above the age of 40 can use this every night. It's going to really delay the process of anti-aging. It is definitely not going to stop it, but it will be delayed. And the plus point of this product is that it removes pigmentation and dark spots and even helps in hydrating our skin, which has hydrating properties such as hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid, friends, helps in boosting ceramides, which help in delaying the process of aging. That is how our skin looks brighter and much more firmer looking skin. As you can see, friends, out here the cream now is been approximately 5 minutes. You can see the glow on my skin of the vitamin C, and you can have a look over here. We have not applied any moisturizer, so you can definitely see the difference, friends. So however, I hope you like this video, friends, and if you found this informative enough, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And even you can comment down below what kind of videos you are looking for. If there is anything that I need to even correct, that you can just give me a feedback. So these two are good products that I had reviewed today. I would request you all to please do try. This is for any age group and this is for anyone above the age of 40 as a night cream. This will really work wonders. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this video, friends. For more such videos, don't forget to click on the like button and share my videos so that it can help me to grow faster. And till then, thanks. Bye.